Money gang, what's good, boy? It's your boy Money Man, Latrine here. If you don't know who I am Latrine, of course. I'm here to show you guys how to make some money online. All right. Today I want to talk to you guys about $25.1up, why I joined it, and just how you can join it. How it's an easy opportunity for beginners who want to start making money online. So yeah, let's get it. So $25.1up, I was in easy commission 1up before that one, before they shut it down. And then I stopped promoting it. And then my mentor had brought it back up to me, saying that it's the same program and they started it off different, refresh, revamp. So I gave it another shot. And I do feel like this is a very easy opportunity for beginners to make some money, okay? Everything is fully automated for you beginners. Fully automated. All you have to do is post a link. You post a link and people come sign up. It's that easy. And all it takes is, if you're a beginner, it takes $25, or you can get in at the $100 level. So if you do the $100 level, of course, the higher you go up, the more money you make. It's common sense, okay? So basically, you know, if you're in a situation, a predicament to where you need some money, you're struggling, you don't have any money, why not give it a shot? I mean, I don't understand why you want to not do it. You might call it a scam. Call it what you want. You know, that's your mind blocking yourself from growing your potential, becoming a better person that, you know, making the money that you should make. You struggle for Christmas or you don't struggle for Christmas. Anywhere it goes, everybody needs money. So why not use this opportunity to make a little extra side income, or make it a full-time hustle and be able to make $500, $600, $700 a week, something, possibly even a day. You know, so I don't see why you guys make it so hard. It's fully automated. All you gotta do is use your link, set your funnel up. It's all in the program, and then you send your link out. People gonna sign in. It has an auto email lister. What else? Like I said, automatic funnel. You know, they just automatically send the emails to your potential leads. I mean, it's a win-win, and you get training. I don't understand what makes it that hard, but I'm here to tell you guys, from my predicament, this opportunity can be good for people that don't have any money and want to make some money, okay? Once again, it's beginner friendly. $25.1up is awesome, okay? Other than that, I think you guys should definitely check it out. Easy money. Just put in the work, man. Put in the work every day. This is a grinding type of opportunity, but I feel like if you want it bad enough, you'll get it. So that being said, this your boy the Money Man, the Trent here, Money Gang. Y'all stay up. Let's get this money. All right, peace.